diseases, including erupting fevers and food and waterborne diseases. Q. Prevention of chickenpox. UNS. -1. Varicella zoster immunoglobulin VZIG. Varicella zoster immunoglobulin VZIG given within 72 hours of exposure has been recommended for prevention of chickenpox in exposed susceptible individuals, particularly in immunosuppressed persons. It has no therapeutic value in established disease. VZIG is given by intramuscular injection in a dose of 12.5 units body weight up to a maximum of 625 units, with a repeat dose in 3 weeks if a high-risk patient remains exposed. Because VZIG appears to bind the varicella vaccine, the two should not be given concomitantly. Though, vaccine. A live attenuated varicella virus vaccine is safe and currently recommended for children between 12 to 18 months of age who have not had chickenpox. Monovalent vaccine can be administered following 1 or 2 dose scheduled 0.5 ml each by subcutaneous injection. A 2-dose schedule is recommended for all persons aged 13 years. When 2 doses are administered, the minimum interval between doses is either 6 weeks or 3 months for children 12 months to 12 years age, and 4 or 6 weeks for adolescents and adults 13 years of age and older. Combination vaccines MMRV can be administered to children from 9 months to 12 years. If 2 doses of MMRV are used, the minimum interval between doses should be 4 weeks. It is preferred that the second dose be administered 6 weeks to 3 months after the first dose or at 4 to 6 years of age. The duration of immunity is probably 10 years. Although the vaccine is very effective in preventing disease, breakthrough infections do occur but are much milder than in unvaccinated individuals. Spread of virus from vaccinees to susceptible individuals is possible, but the risk of such transmission even to immunocompromised patients is small. Nonetheless, the vaccine, being a live attenuated virus, should not be given to immunocompromised individuals or pregnant women. Q. Congenital rubella syndrome. UNS. Congenital rubella syndrome (CRS) refers to infants born with defects secondary to intrauterine infection or who manifest symptoms or signs of intrauterine infection sometime after birth. Rubella infection inhibits cell division, and this is the reason for congenital malformations and low birth weight. The classic triad of congenital defects are 1. Deafness, 2. Cardiac malformations, and 3. Cataracts. These defects occurring singly or in combination have become known as congenital rubella syndrome. Congenital infection is considered to have occurred if the infant has Lycium rubella antibodies shortly after birth, as Lycium antibodies do not cross the placenta. Their presence indicate that they must have been synthesized by the infant in utero, or if ELG antibodies persist for more than 6 months, by which time maternally derived antibodies would have disappeared. At birth, virus is easily detectable in pharyngeal secretions, multiple organs, cerebrospinal fluid, urine, and rectal swabs. Viral excretion may last for 12 to 18 months after birth, but the level of shedding gradually decreases with age. Prevention. Rubella vaccines. Several live attenuated vaccines have been developed. Ra2 7/3 vaccine produced in human diploid fibroblast has replaced all the other vaccines. It induces higher antibody titers and produces an immune response more closely paralleling natural infection than the other vaccines. It is administered in a single dose of 0.5 ml subcutaneously. Vaccine-induced immunity persists in most vaccinees for at least 14 to 16 years and probably is lifelong. Infants under 1 year should not be vaccinated due to possible interference from persisting rubella antibody. Pregnancy is considered a contraindication to rubella immunization. Rubella vaccine is also
कुछ तो भी ऐसा
available
दिख
as
रहा है यार,
combined
सांप जैसा
measles, mumps
ऐसा
and
कुछ तो
rubella
भी
MMR vaccine, or
कलरलेस कुछ
measles
तो भी
and
दिख रहा
rubella
है,
blister.
उसको पढ़ना भी नहीं जम रहा उससे।
Q. Differentiate smallpox and
पता नहीं,
chickenpox.
ऐसा कुछ तो भी
UNS.
दिख रहा है आंखों के
Q.
सामने ऐसा है
Enumerate eruptive fevers
तो
of
पढ़ रही ना तो ऐसे
epidemiological
सामने दिख रहा
importance.
हो तो वर्ड्स भी
Give
नहीं हो
details about
रहे ऐसे
epidemiology,
नहीं,
prevention
चश्मे से
and
और ज्यादा
control
दिख
of
रहा हो।
measles. UNS. Some of the examples of eruptive fever are 1. Chickenpox
नहीं,
2.
नींद तो अच्छी खासी
Measles
हुई
3.
मेरी।
Rubella 4. Herpes zoster. Measles. An acute, highly infectious disease of childhood caused by a specific virus of the group myxoviruses. It is clinically characterized by fever and catarrhal symptoms of the upper respiratory tract, coryza cough, followed by a typical rash. Measles is associated with high morbidity and mortality in developing countries. Epidemiology. Measles is endemic throughout the world with epidemics which recur regularly every 2 to 3 years, typically in late winter and early spring. Incubation period is commonly 10 to 14 days. Source. Cases are the only source of infection. Carriers are not known to occur. In apparent, the subclinical infections are rare. Reservoir. Humans are the only reservoir of infection. There is no animal reservoir. Infective material. Virus is shed in the secretions of nose, throat and respiratory tract of cases of measles, especially during the prodromal stage and early stage of rash. Period of communicability. Patients are infectious from 4 days before to 4 days after the onset of rash. Secondary attack rate is very high, 80%. Immunity. No age is immune if there is no previous immunity. There is single serotype, hence one attack, vaccine or infection gives lifelong immunity. Infants are protected up to 6 months due to pre-existing maternal antibodies. Epidemic of measles occurs if proportion of susceptible children exceeds 40%. Prevention. A. Vaccine. Live attenuated vaccine is available for measles. Strains. Short strain currently serves as the standard in much of the world. Vaccine is prepared in chick embryo cell line. Reconstitution. Vaccine is available in lyophilized form and it has to be reconstituted with distilled water and then should be used within 4 hours. Vaccine is thermolabile, hence, it must be stored at -20 degrees Celsius. Administration. One dose 0.5 milliliter containing more than 1000 infective viral units is administered subcutaneously. Combined vaccines. Measles vaccine is available in combined form with rubella, Mr. vaccine, with mumps and rubella vaccine, MMR vaccine, and with varicella, MMRV vaccine. Indication. Under National Immunization Schedule of India.